If 1 million jobs gets disappeared from the economy in a matter of 1 year or less, then we really need to pay attention to why this is happening. We all know AI is doing that. Restructuring is just the reason. And I don't know about how other people will deal with this, but what we do need to know about as small business owners and entrepreneurs, we need to make sure AI is actually being utilized to make our business better, our service better. Because that is what the Fortune 500s are doing. They are utilizing every bit of AI they can use to make their business better, whether it is letting customers answer, there is somebody answering the call, responding to a customer time, writing emails, writing codes, or sending invoices, or providing better customer experience. This is exactly what the real use of AI should be for small businesses. I have the numbers in front of me. We lost about 1 million jobs in 2025 alone. Salesforce and just recently laid off around 4,000 people, with Microsoft laying about 3,800 people. And don't even get me started on Oracle. They are getting hit hard, very hard. So the bottom line is, we need to make sure that our businesses are optimized the best to take advantage of AI automations. We also are going to be in the same situation as we're eliminating a lot of positions in our companies, our small business, and deploy AI with it. If you are somebody who is still in a fog, who's still confused about how you can implement AI in your company, in your small business, what can you do? Comment below AI automation. We'll talk about things we can suggest that we are doing in our business that you can probably do yourself, and see if that's going to help you. If that doesn't help you, then we will continue to keep that dialogue going. The idea is, these guys who make billions, not even local to us, are eating the lunch of a small business in our neighborhood, and our job is to make sure we continue to eat our market share and not let them come into our market and dominate that. We still always have the power to be a better provider, better option for our customer, but our competition is sitting with a lot of resource that is definitely not going to give up on it, and they're going to capitalize on every opportunity to lower their burden and make more money for their shareholders. Well, our shareholders are small, local, around us. Sometimes it's just our family. So let's just say we are trying to be more efficient with our business, and we need to figure out ways to make sure that we are running our business the most efficient way. Sure, you can add more people in your team, but if you don't need those people, then you can automate some of those tasks, and the people that you will hire, make sure those are for the position that actually count as, adding more leverage to increase your sales, increase your service. And this is exactly where the trend is going to be right now. Positions are going to continue to open, but these positions are going to be now requiring better skills, better knowledge of the latest technology of how to implement AI in small businesses, and then continue to do things the way we used to do. Hope that helps. Comment below. Let me know what you think about it. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.